How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Now, it is not a question of Instagram not letting you log in, because Instagram will not let you to not log in. As long as your profile details are correct and that your password or any other credentials is absolutely correct, then Instagram has to give access to your account. Now, unless previously if you have deactivated your account or deleted your account, or you got flagged for some reason, that is a different scenario. But if your account details are correct, then you will be able to log in successfully without any sort of issues by tapping the continue button over here and selecting your account details or logging into one of your profiles over there. In case you happen to forget your details, you can try to forget the password and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. But other than that, you will be able to log in without any issues. If you're not being able to log in, do not try from the same page over and over again. Try to uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it again. Go to your Play Store or App Store and also search for Instagram and check if it has an update. And if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.